Where the bloody hell is that truck? And where is Boris? Where the F is he?
Hey, I have stolen the kraz dump truck, and now let's get ready to try it out. Follow me. I'm gonna see if it's possible to really dump some gravel with it. So follow me. Hurry, hurry, come on. Okay, so my first test is to see how it drives on the snow. Let's head out with it. Ah, yes, that went perfectly. A bit slippery, but that's what you have to expect this time of the year. So now, let's see if it actually can dump some gravel or not, and hopefully everything will hold so I don't get in too much trouble for this. Because the tractor is in the workshop right now, I will just use some moving magic to load this thing up, so watch this. Perfect! Now let's see if it can dump this. Aha, first test, no problem I would say. That looks great. Let's try with some more and heavier. A bit more. Let's see how that will turn out. Oh, looking great. No problem, it's strong. So far, so good. Let's load it up with some more and hope everything will hold. Need to get it a bit more forward. And let's see how this will work now. It's pretty heavy. Oh, looking good, looking good. Oh my god, no problems. I'm so proud of this truck right now. Now it's really heavy. Let's see. Will it hold or work? Oh, that did not sound so well. Let's get this off. Yes, that can't be good. Oh, I'm afraid I'm in a big trouble here. How did this end? Oh, let's see. I just need to get up here and we're gonna look. That's okay. Oh, then I see it. The motor mount have split it away and pushing the frame apart. Oh, that's not good. But that should be able to fix that, I hope. Give me a time here. So yes, I have fixed the problem, a little quick fix and everything working again, and nobody has found me out yet, so why not take it out with the load on and see how it's working on the road. So yes, I just gonna leave this gravel here and yeah. So yeah, the only thing is the lifting device that needs some more fixing, but otherwise, it's almost as good as me, Boris. And now I need to return the kraz and run and hide before they send me to the gulag. Goodbye. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Don't forget to like and subscribe and maybe leave a comment. That would be lovely. See you later.